How to build wealth in 5 years, the realistic step-by-step plan. What if I told you that building wealth in 5 years is possible, but probably not in the way social media makes you believe? Every day, we're surrounded by headlines like, turn $100 into $1 million, retire before 30, or get rich with this one secret. It sounds exciting, but for most people, those promises lead to disappointment rather than financial freedom. So before we begin, I want to ask you a question, and I genuinely hope you'll answer it in the comments. If you had 5 years to completely change your financial life, what would your biggest goal be? Would it be becoming debt-free, saving your first $100,000? Buying your dream home, starting a business, retiring early? Or simply living without constantly worrying about money? Write your answer in the comments because your goal might inspire someone else who's watching this video. And while you're there, read a few other comments. You'll quickly realize that you're not alone in your financial journey. Now, let's be clear about something. This isn't a video about getting rich overnight. This isn't about risky investments or chasing the latest trend. This is about building real wealth. The kind that gives you peace of mind, opportunities, and freedom. The kind that lasts. If you're ready, let's dive into the realistic roadmap for building wealth in the next 5 years.
Before we get into the video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you're new. Now let's continue.
Year 1. Build your financial foundation. Many people think wealth begins with investing. Actually, wealth begins with organization. You cannot build a skyscraper on a weak foundation. The same is true with money. Before trying to grow your wealth, you need to know exactly where your money is going. Track every expense for 1 month. You might be surprised by what you discover. Those daily coffees, impulse online purchases, unused subscriptions, frequent food deliveries, and small expenses often add up to hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars every year. The goal isn't to stop enjoying life. The goal is to spend intentionally. At the same time, focus on paying down high-interest debt. Every dollar you're paying in high interest is a dollar that can't help build your future. Then create an emergency fund. Life will always surprise you. A medical emergency. A broken appliance. A job loss. A car repair. Without savings, these events can wipe out years of progress. Think of your emergency fund as your financial shock absorber. It doesn't make life perfect. It simply prevents life's bumps from turning into disasters. Year 2. Increase your income. Here's something many people don't realize. You can only cut expenses so much, but there's virtually no limit to how much you can increase your income. Many people spend years trying to save an extra $100 each month while ignoring opportunities to earn an extra $1,000. Ask yourself, can you negotiate a raise? Learn a new skill? Start freelancing? Work part-time? Launch a small online business? Sell products? Teach others? Offer consulting? Income growth often accelerates wealth much faster than extreme budgeting. The most successful wealth builders usually focus on both. Spend wisely. Earn more. Repeat. A story about 2 different mindsets. Let me tell you about 2 co-workers. We'll call them Sarah and James. Both earned roughly the same salary. Every payday, Sarah celebrated. She upgraded her phone frequently. Bought designer clothes. Financed a newer car. Went out almost every weekend. She wasn't irresponsible. She simply believed she'd always have time to save later. James lived differently. He still enjoyed life. He traveled. He ate at restaurants. He bought things he truly valued. But every raise he received didn't become a reason to spend more. It became a reason to invest more. When friends upgraded cars, James kept his reliable vehicle a little longer. When everyone else increased their lifestyle, James increased his investments. 5 years later, something fascinating happened. Their salaries were still similar, but their financial lives looked completely different. Sarah had impressive possessions but very little financial security. James had something invisible. Growing investments. A healthy emergency fund. No consumer debt. And options. That's what wealth really creates. Options. The option to change careers. The option to travel. The option to retire earlier. The option to say no to work you don't enjoy. Wealth isn't always visible. Sometimes the wealthiest person in the room is the one driving the oldest car. Year 3. Make investing automatic. Once you've built financial stability, it's time to let your money begin working for you. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is waiting for the perfect time to invest. The truth is, no one consistently predicts the perfect moment. Instead, many successful investors automate their investing. Every payday, a portion of their income goes directly into long-term investments before they even have the chance to spend it. This removes emotion from the process. It turns investing into a habit rather than a monthly decision. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't debate whether to do it every morning. It's simply part of your routine. Your investing should feel the same. Let compound growth do the heavy lifting. Here's where many people underestimate what's possible. At first, investment growth feels slow, almost disappointingly slow. You check your balance after 6 months and wonder if it's even worth it. But compound growth doesn't reward impatience. It rewards consistency. Imagine rolling a snowball down a hill. It starts tiny, almost insignificant, but as it keeps rolling, it gathers more snow. Eventually, the snowball becomes much larger than when it started. Your investments can grow in a similar way. The hardest part is simply staying invested long enough to experience that momentum. Year 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This might be the most overlooked wealth-building habit of all. As income increases, many people immediately increase spending. They upgrade their apartment, upgrade their car, upgrade their wardrobe, upgrade their vacations. There's nothing wrong with enjoying success. But if every raise disappears into a more expensive lifestyle, your financial situation may never truly improve. Instead, try this. Whenever your income increases, decide in advance that a portion of that raise will automatically go towards saving or investing. You still enjoy your success, but your future self enjoys it even more. This one habit alone can dramatically change your financial future. Build assets, not just income. Many people confuse a high income with wealth. They're not the same thing. Someone earning a modest income while consistently building assets can eventually become wealthier than someone earning a very high salary who spends almost everything. Assets are things that can grow in value or generate income. Investments, businesses, rental properties, intellectual property, dividend-producing investments. These are the tools that continue working long after you've finished your workday. Income pays today's bills. Assets help pay tomorrow's. Year 5. Think beyond 5 years. Here's something ironic. The people who build the most wealth in 5 years are often the ones who aren't obsessed with becoming rich in 5 years. They're focused on building habits they can maintain for decades. They understand that wealth isn't one giant decision. It's thousands of small decisions. Saving instead of spending. Learning instead of guessing. Investing instead of waiting. Being patient instead of chasing shortcuts. The 5th year isn't the finish line. It's simply proof that your system is working. Once you reach that point, the next 5 years often become even more powerful. The habits that matter most. Let's summarize what truly builds wealth. Spend less than you earn. Increase your income. Invest consistently. Avoid unnecessary debt. Keep learning. Protect yourself with an emergency fund. Stay patient. Ignore hype. Continue improving your skills. Repeat. Notice something? None of these habits are glamorous. None promise overnight riches. But together, they can completely transform your financial future. Stop comparing your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 20. Social media has made wealth look instant. People post luxury vacations, luxury cars, expensive watches, beautiful homes. What you rarely see are the years of discipline behind genuine wealth, or the debt behind appearances. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's highlight reel. Compare yourself to who you were last year. If you're spending less wisely, saving more, investing consistently, learning continuously, you're already moving in the right direction. Progress matters more than perfection. The biggest secret about wealth. If there's one lesson I hope you remember from this video, it's this. Building wealth is less about making one brilliant financial decision and more about making hundreds of ordinary decisions consistently. The extraordinary results come from ordinary habits repeated over time. It's choosing patience when everyone else chooses shortcuts. It's choosing education over speculation. It's choosing consistency over excitement. That's how real wealth is built. Let's go back to the question we asked at the beginning. If you had 5 years to change your financial life, what would you accomplish? Now I want to ask you another question. Where do you honestly see yourself 5 years from today if you continue your current financial habits? Think about that for a moment. Will your future self thank you? Or will they wish you had started today? Share your answer in the comments because your honesty might motivate someone else to take action. And if you know someone who's always saying, "I'll start saving or investing next year," send them this video. Sometimes the right conversation at the right time can completely change someone's financial future. Remember, wealth isn't built in a weekend. It isn't created by luck. And it rarely comes from chasing shortcuts. It's built one decision at a time. One paycheck at a time. One investment at a time. One lesson at a time. 5 years from now, you'll wish you had started today. So don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Start with what you have. Use what you know. Learn what you don't. Stay consistent. Because the small actions you take today can become the financial freedom you enjoy tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, share it with your friends and family so they can start building wealth alongside you. And don't forget to join the conversation in the comments. I can't wait to read about your 5-year financial goals and cheer you on as you work toward them. See you in the next video.